Good morning students, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fractions? The shaded portions of the strips show the fractions now. Here some strips are given and that strips are shaded. If you observe here, the strip divided into two parts. In that one part is shaded. So what is the fraction for that? The strip divided into two parts, one part shaded, so 1 by 2. Next, same strip divided into four parts. In the two parts are shaded, it is 2 by 4. The next strip it is divided into four parts. In that two parts are shaded, so it is 2 by 4. Next same strip divided into 6 parts. In that three parts are shaded, so it is 3 by 6. Next strip divided into 8 parts. In that 4 parts are shaded, 4 by 8. If you observe here, when they divided into 2 parts, one part shaded, that means half shaded. Yes, in that half shaded. If you observe here, they divided into 4 parts. Again in that 2. 2 means half only, no? What is the half of 4? 2. So here also they shaded half part. Again here this strip they divided into 6 parts. In that 3 parts shaded. 6. 3 is half of the 6. 3 is half of the 6. So here also half part is shaded. Again it is divided into 8 parts. In that 4 are shaded. What is the half of 8? 4. So here also half part is shaded. If you observe here, it is divided into 2 parts or 4 parts or 6 parts or 8 parts. But the figure is shaded, only half of the figure will be shaded. Yes, that means these are all will be equal. The shaded portions in all the strips are equal. Yes, in this strip they shaded half. Here also they shaded half. Here shaded half. Here shaded half. So the shaded portions in all the strips are equal. But the divided parts will be different. But the shaded portions will be equal. So these shaded portions here 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. These are called equivalent fractions or equal fractions. Okay, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 are equivalent fractions or equal fractions. Why they are equivalent fractions? The strips are divided into parts, but how many parts it is divided? But they shaded only half of the strip. They divided into so many parts, but they shaded only half of the strip. That's why these are all will be equal. So these type of fractions are called equivalent fractions. Okay, see, these are 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. These fractions are called equivalent fractions or equal fractions. Finding equivalent fractions. How we should find the equivalent fractions? To get equivalent fractions, we want to find the equivalent. That means to get equivalent fractions, multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. To get an equivalent fraction, we may multiply, either divide. We want to do the multiplication, we can do multiplication. Or we want to do the division, we can do division. But we have to do by the same number. Either multiplication do means we have to do the same number, both the numerator and denominator by the same number to get an equivalent fraction. To get an equivalent fraction of the given one, what we have to do? Either multiply or divide. Either multiply or divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. For example, equivalent fraction of 2 4 by 5. Equivalent fraction of 4 by 5. We have to find the equivalent fraction of 4 by 5, but we won't either multiply or divide by the same number. Yes, numerator and denominator by the same number, but we no need to do the multiplication either by 1. Why? Because if we multiply with 1, we will get the same number. So we don't do the multiplication with 1, either division also. If you do division with 1 also, you will get the same number. So except 1, remaining any number we can do. Suppose 4 by 5. 4 by 5. We want to find the equivalent fraction of 4 by 5. So both we can multiply with 2, we can multiply. So multiply with 2. 4 into 2 by 5 into 2. So 4 2s are 8 by 5 2s are 10. So equivalent fraction of 4 by 5 is equal to 8 by 10. Why you do only with 2, ma'am? No, you want to do with 3, you can do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But whatever number you take, but you have to do one thing. What you have to do? You have to multiply either the numerator and denominator by the same number. No, we can't do multiplication numerator with 2, denominator with 3. It is wrong. We have to multiply both with the same number. We have to multiply both with the same number. Either division also, when we do division also, we have to do division also with the same number. With same number. Okay. This is why we do. We can do only by 2. If you want to do with 3, do. With 4, do with 4. If you do with 3, how much you will get? 4 into 3 by 5 into 3. 4 3s are 12 by 5 3s are 15. With 4, 4 into 4 by 5 into 4. 4 4s are 16 by 5 4s are 20. That all will be the equivalent fractions of 4 by 5. Next, equivalent fraction of 12 by 20. 12 by 20. We can do division also, we can get. See, if you observe, these two will come in what table? These two will come in 2 table? Yes. So we can do division with 2. 12 divided by 2 by 20 divided by 2. So 2 table 12 how many times? 2 6 are 12. 2 table 20 how many times? 2 10s are 20. So equivalent fraction of 12 by 20 is equal to 6 by 10. Only 2 table, ma'am, it will come 4 table. Yes, we can do. So both we can do with 4. 12 divided by 4 by 20 divided by 4. 4 table this 12 how many times? 4 3s are 12. 4 5s are 20. So equivalent fraction of 12 by 20 is equal to 3 by 5. Okay. These are called equivalent fractions. To multiply, to get equivalent fractions, multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. We have to multiply both with the same number. Okay, next one. Equivalent fraction of equivalent fraction of 8 by 15. 8 by 15. So we can do with same number. Which number? Suppose we will do with 4. 8 into 4 by 15 into 4. 8 4s are 32 by 15 4s are 60. 8 4s are 32 by 15 4s are 60. Okay, this is how to find the equivalent fraction. Next one is test for equivalent fractions. Multiply the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction. Multiply the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. If you observe here, these two are, we have to take these two are two fractions. A fraction having numerator and denominator. So, first fraction it is numerator 1 by denominator 1. Second fraction numerator 2 by denominator 2. Okay. See, when we have to do the cross multiplication, What is the meaning here? Multiply the numerator of the first fraction. So numerator of the first fraction means numerator 1 and with the denominator of the second fraction. So denominator 2. Numerator 1 into denominator 2. Numerator 1 into denominator 2 here. Next, multiply the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. So here denominator 1 with the numerator 2. Here numerator 2 into denominator 1. When these two products are equal, if both the products are equal, then the fractions are equivalent. If these two products are equal, then the fractions are equivalent. For example, 1 by 2 and 8 by 16 are there. 1 by 2 and 8 by 16. If we do cross multiplication, these two, 1 by 2, 8 by 16, we have to do the cross multiplication. This one with and this one with. So 1 into 16, 8 into 2. 1 into 16, 8 into 2. 1, 16, 16, 8 to the 16. Now we get both are equal, Nama. So 1 by 2 and 8 by 16 are equivalent fractions. 1 by 2 and 8 by 16 are equivalent fractions. One by 2 and 8 by 16 are equivalent fractions. If we didn't get equal, they are not equivalent fractions. If both are equal, equivalent fractions. If both are not equal, not equivalent fractions. Okay, ma'am. Everybody open your textbook. Exercise 6.1, page number 138. In that first question, complete these tables of equivalent fractions. We have to complete these tables, ma'am. See here, first table A. Multiply numerator and denominator by. Multiply numerator and denominator by. So first we have to multiply both with 2. So one table. 1 2s are 2 by 2 2s are 4. Again same fraction with 3. 1 3s are 3 by. That means see how we will get means see ma'am. 1 into 2 by 2 into 2. So 1 2s are 2 by 2 2s are 4. Again 1 into 3 by 2 into 3. 1 3s are 3 by 2 3s are 6. Again 1 into 5 by 2 into 5. 1 5s are 5 by 2 5s are 10. Same. 1 into 6 by 2 into 6. 1 6 are 6 by 2 6 are 12. Remaining 2 you have to do your own. Next here, divide numerator and denominator by. We have to do the division, ma'am. So first 30 divided by 2, 60 divided by 2. Okay, 30 divided by 2, 60 divided by 2. How much it will come? 2 table 30 how many times? 15. So 15 by 2 30s 60. Here do division side and right, ma'am. Next 30 divided by 3, 60 divided by 3. 3 table 30, 3 tens are 30. 3 table 6 how many times? 2s are, 3 2s are. So 10 by 20. Again 30 divided by with 5 number 5. 60 divided by 5. So 5 table 30 how many times? 5 6 are 30. 5 12s are 60. Same again with 6. 30 divided by 6 by 60 divided by 6. 6 table 30 how many times? 6 5s are 30. 6 by 6 tens are 60. Same all these also. 60 divided by 2, 90 divided by 2. 2 table 60, 2 30s, 245. Same, 60 divided by 3, 90 divided by 3. Say already you did here 60 number, same all. 3 table 60, 3 20s, 3 30s. Again 60 divided by 5, 90 divided by 5. 5 12s are 60, 5 18s 90. Again 60 divided by 6, 90 divided by 6. 6 10s are 60, 6 15s 90. So do this one your own. Okay, see the B question. Write two equivalent fractions for each of the following fractions. We have to write two equivalent fractions for each of the following fractions. First one, B Roman first one, 3 by 12. We have to write two equivalent fractions for this one. We can multiply with any number, but both numerator and denominator we have to multiply with same number. So I am multiplying both with 2. 3 into 12 by, 3 into 2 by 12 into 2, comma, 3 into 3 by 12 into 3. Okay, with 2, we want to write two equivalent fractions. So, first I am multiplying both with 2 and next I am multiplying both with 3. So, 3 2s are 6 by 12 2s are 24. Again 3 3s are 9 by 12 3s are 36. 3 3s are 9 by 12 3s are 36. So the two equivalent fractions of fractions of 3 by 12. What are the two? 6 by 24, comma 9 by 36. Okay, do the remaining one. Next, C Roman. Find the equivalent fractions of 3 by 5 with the denominator 20. First here, C Roman, first one, we want denominator 20. We want denominator 20 means, so what is the fraction here? Fraction is 3 by 5. In the first one, denominator 20. So denominator 20 means, here what is the denominator number in the fraction? What is the denominator number in the fraction? 5. So 20 divide with 5. How much we will get? 5 times 20? 4. So both we have to multiply with 4. 3 into 4 by 5 into 4. 3 4s are 12 by 5 4s are 20. Okay, here 20 is there. We want 20 in the denominator. So we have to multiply both with 4. Next one. Second one in that, numerator 9. Numerator 9. Numerator 9. So what is the numerator here? 3. So 9 table 3 how many times? 9. 3 table 9 how many times? 3 3s are. So both we have to multiply with 3. 3 into 3 by 5 into 3. 3 3s are 9 by 5 3s are 15. Same denominator 25 given. Same how here 20 that 25. 5 table 25, 5 5s are 25. So both multiply with 5, you will get that one. All this doing your classwork mark.